With Windows 10 officially reaching its end of life, now is the perfect time to upgrade to the latest version of Windows. Welcome back, Ghosty here, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to partition your drives, make a bootable USB, install Windows and install Windows without a USB, and some extra tips too at the end. As always, timestamps are on the screen now and in the description, and everything I use and showcase in this video will be down in the description too. To get started, we will be obtaining our ISO. We can do that in one of these websites here. Today I'll be using os.click as I find it the most straightforward to use. We can just click through everything, and once we select the options we want, we can download the .iso file. Then we want to download Rufus, a free and open source program to format USB flash drives. We'll be needing this in a few minutes. Once we got both of these files, we can plug in our USB and open Rufus. Then we can select the .iso file we downloaded earlier, press start, uncheck everything and press start again. Now we can restart our computer, press delete to go into the BIOS, select our USB drive to boot off, and continue with the tutorial. If you don't own a USB, firstly you'll want to open disk management, then right click on your main drive and press shrink. Hover over the amount of space to shrink in megabytes and type in 8000. Then right click on the empty free space and press new simple volume. Press next a few times, add a name if you want, and close disk management after it's done. Then you will want to extract the previously downloaded .iso file into the partition you just made. Then go ahead and download EasyBCD, I'll leave a link in the description. Install it, and after it's done, open it up and go to the Add New Entry tab. Click WinPE, press the folder, navigate to the partition, sources, and double click boot.vim. Press OK, and then press the green plus button. Your computer might stutter for a second, but that's perfectly fine. And after, restart your computer and it should appear under NST WinPE image. Click on that and you will be forwarded straight to the installation. Now that we are in the installer, press Install Now, skip the activation screen if you see it, and press Custom. We want to pay attention here. We will want to find and delete all of our partitions of our drive that we want to install our new operating system onto. Now in my case that's drive 0, unallocated space. Note this will delete all of your files, so you want to back them up beforehand. And now we wait after a few minutes and some restarts, we're in the out of the box experience. Click through the options and we're in Windows. Some extra tips. Tip number 1. After you partition your drive, you can make a folder in the installer files to back up your files as the installer ignores this folder. Here's what I like to put in my drives. Some installers and tools and maybe some game configs to make life easier. Tip number 2. When you're in the out of the box experience, you can unplug your internet. Press Shift plus F10 and type in OOBE/bypass NRL. Your computer will restart and you'll be able to press I don't have an internet in the network tab, and you will bypass the creating a Microsoft account part. Also, tip number 3, if you're in Windows, I suggest turning off automatic driver updates before plugging in your internet so Microsoft doesn't install generic old drivers that might cause problems later on or micro stutters. And that's about it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, and if you need any help with this process or you want this process automated or done for you, you can check out my Discord community in the description below. See ya.